Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your general energy, career situation and your relationship, guys. So these are oracle cards, guys. So these are just a guidance for your situation. This is for your career and this is for your relationship, and this card is your general guidance, Cancers. So we will open the cards now for your career situation, not for you. So that is the oracle's message, guys, not for you. That means that maybe sometimes in your career, whatever efforts that you're putting in, you may not get what you want. So you need to understand that sometimes our efforts are wasted, we face defeat. So we have to get over that failures and move towards get that understanding, get that learning from that situation, and wait for that successful moment come towards you. Maybe in life, guys, sometimes even failures and rejections or a divine protection. So whatever hard work that you are doing, the results may be eluding you, and you may feel that whatever that is coming towards you, maybe some results that is not up to your expectation. So this is the time you have to accept what is coming towards you, whatever is available to you, guys. So when you do that, you will see that everything happens for some good reason, maybe much better things which will make us even more happier is on its way towards us. So sometimes rejection is also God's protection, guys, or universe's protection for us. So whatever we are meant to receive, we will receive it in the right time. So you have to trust that, guys. You have to trust the universe. That is what this oracle is about. Maybe you are seeing some failures, some stressful situations in your work. So some things are denied to you. Maybe it is for something better. So that is what this card is about. So maybe some better things are waiting for you, guys. That is what this card is about. Even better than what you have dreamed about. What is the card for your relationship, Cancers? Why? So with this card, guys, for your relationship, you have to have that deep understanding, guys. Deep understanding of that motives, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. Love is not logical, and feelings are not logical, but sometimes what we say, the way we behave in our situation, in our relationship, has some motives. So you need to question yourself. You need to question yourself why you are feeling this way about this person and why you are saying some things. So when you listen to that answer, what is in your heart of hearts, if it is true love, if it is love, that is the reason you are with this person in this connection, then you can move forward. But if it is something bad, something not good, maybe some unresolved issues in the past, maybe you want to have that you want to say things to somebody, maybe your past person, some hurtful things. That is the reason you are with this person. So whatever is driving you, that choice, what is the motive? When you have that deep understanding, you will get that clarity, guys. So you have to have that understanding of your motives today. That way, when you do that soul searching, you are moving forward towards happiness, guys. So if you have some unresolved issues in the past, that is the reason you are with this person, maybe stressing in this relationship. You have to first heal yourself of that past, whatever that you need to work on. Then you can work towards this deep connection, guys. So that is what this oracle's guidance is about for your relationship, guys. So you have to have a clear understanding of your motives, guys. What is the card for your general guidance? A change in the wind. So Cancers, things are changing, guys. You may feel that in your career situation or in your relationship, you are not on a firm ground and you are resisting some change. So you have to remember that transformation is growth, guys. So nothing in this world is permanent, everything changes. So even in our relationship, at one point of time we may share that great understanding, but sometimes we go through rough patches. We have so many quarrels, stressful situations. So whatever the situation is, we need to understand that it is an opportunity for that mutual growth. So you have to just take a break from that situation, wait things to cool down, guys. Then we can get back with that freshness and with that vibrancy in our relationship. So you just have to take time to heal yourself. And even in your work situation, maybe the opportunities or some business ventures, whatever it is, whatever you were working towards, you may not realize that, you may not get it, it would have gone to someone else. So you need to realize that maybe the reason, maybe it may not work out for better, guys, for you. So that is the reason it's not coming towards you. So when things are not in your control, when certain circumstances are not in your control, you have to just wait it out, guys. Wait for the happy times. All will be well in good time, guys. That is what I see here. That is the oracle's message, guys, for your Cancers. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.